You gotta treat her like a lady. She'll give in to you. Lord, look and sink. You know what I mean. I know you've heard that the woman soon take advantage of you. Let me tell you, my friend, that just ain't no substitute. So you oughta treat her like a lady. The best you can do. You gotta treat her like a lady. She'll give in to you. Lord, look and sink. You know what I mean. Oh, you got to love her, tease her, but most of all you got to please her. You got to hold her and want her and make her feel you'll always need her. You know a woman is sentimental and so easy to upset her. So make her feel that she's real, yeah, and she'll give you happiness. Whoa, strange as it seems, you know you can't treat a woman mean. So my friend, there you have it. I said it's the easy, simple way. If you fail to do this, don't my way. 'Cause I'm going